Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to run Python in Replit in 2026. So if you're new to coding or just want to test Python online without installing anything, this is a great option. First, open Replit and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one and get started in just a few moments. Once you're logged in, click the Create REPL button and choose Python from the list of available programming languages. This will create a new Python workspace for your project. If your project requires additional Python packages, open the Package Manager and install the libraries you need. Replit will add them to your environment automatically. Finally, once everything is working, you can share your project with others using the Share option or continue building more advanced Python applications directly inside Replit. And that's it. That's how to run Python in Replit in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.